Hi, welcome back to the channel. This video is a requested one and I'm so excited to share with you. Today I'm going to show you how you can get perfect winged eyeliner in less than 30 seconds. And not just one but 5 easy tricks will make it possible. Please take a minute to subscribe to my channel before your way out so that you don't miss any of my videos. Further any more ado, let's start. We all have some kind of credit card or greeting cards at home, or you can just simply use a scale or ruler instead. Once you get the straight line, draw another line towards midpoint of your eyelid and fill up the gap. Then cover up the whole edge of upper eyelid and you are done within a few seconds. Believe it or not, this hair clip is pretty handy when it comes to applying winged eyeliner. Take some liquid eyeliner and apply on one side of the clip and place on the outer corner of your eye. Then repeat the step to make a triangle and fill it up. Then just go ahead and cover the whole outer line, and again within few seconds you are done. Next is some gift wrapping tape. Take a small piece of it and place it on outer corner of your eyes. Now apply liquid eyeliner and try to make a little triangle like before. If you are clumsy like me, then this one is perfect for you, because when you remove the tape, you will get a perfect line without any mistake. The fourth trick is to make your own stamp to get exact same result every time. For that we need a scissor, a random cardboard, a cotton swab and hot glue. First cut out a little triangle from the cardboard, then apply some hot glue and attach the triangle with the cotton swab. Now your stamp is ready and all you have to do is to apply some liquid eyeliner on the stamp. Now use it as a stamp on the outer corner of your eye. Then fill up the gaps if there is any. When you are done, just go ahead and follow the line and cover the whole outer line. Once you are done, I'm sure you will love it a lot. The best part is you can use this stamp in future and every time you will get the exact same result. Remember the card I used making the stamp? Well, don't just throw it away yet. This cutout can also be used as a tool. So I placed that paper card and applied some gel eyeliner to fill the gap. Then as usual, just go ahead and cover the rest of it. So these are my 5 quick tricks for winged eyeliner today. Once again, thank you so much Rebecca for requesting this video. I hope you really liked this video, and if you did, don't forget to hit the like button and also share with your friends and families. If you want me to do more videos like this, please comment below and let me know. See you soon in my next video. Till then, stay well.